In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Clickbank by using paid and free traffic. If you understand the whole concept that I'm going to explain you in this video, then no one can stop you from making money with Clickbank for lifelong. So watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video to let me know that what kind of video I need to create in upcoming time to help you to make money with affiliate marketing and Clickbank. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need an account on Clickbank. If you don't have an account on Clickbank, just type on Google Clickbank and just click on start here and follow the step-by-step instruction to create your own Clickbank account. That would be the first step. Once you create your own account on Clickbank, then simply log in and type weight loss and sort it out by gravity so that you can find the products that are actually selling in the real time. So the top product is XGPure, and as you can see in this simple website, I have kept this XGPure at the top. Now this is a simple article that is related to top 7 weight loss supplement works in United States. And all of these products with the links are available inside Clickbank. If you see XGPure, Icaria Juice, Prototex, so and Lean Biome, so all of these are available inside Clickbank. Furthermore, in the right side there is a banner which you can see. This banner is also related to this XGPure. Now this is a simple article, okay, there is nothing complicated, and you can simply visit to this site. Okay, this site, the name of the site is, listen to me carefully, okay, BEST best HAPPY happy LIVING.com, besthappyliving.com. But this article will not be available for a long time in this site. So if you are watching this video, then immediately visit to that site and copy this article. So it is extremely easy to copy this article in this way. Just copy it and you can easily paste it in your own WordPress website. So now you may be confused that I need to create a WordPress website, and it is extremely simple to create a WordPress website, and I am going to show you exactly how you can do it for absolutely free. So for now, just copy this article and save it in any place, okay, so that you can reuse it in upcoming future. So the first step was to create a Clickbank account, and second step was to copy the article from this website. Okay, so now the third thing that we need to do is create this kind of WordPress website for free. And for that, what I have did is I have kept a video link in the description of this video for this, okay, how to create a free website and with free domain and hosting. So I'll put this video link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch this video, and you will be able to create a simple WordPress website in an easy way. And you will not need to pay anything to create this WordPress website that I have shown you in this video. Or you may watch any other tutorials in order to create a free website with free domain and hosting. And then you can simply copy this article and paste it at here. And in case if you did not find the article in this website, then what you can do is you can simply search, okay, in Google. For example, you can simply type on Google XGPure reviews and go to any review site, okay, and simply scroll below and read what they have written at here and copy these articles. And or what you can do is you can firstly read and understand, like what is XGPure, you can read it and understand and type your own version, or you can literally copy this article and then paste it right before this kind of XGPure headline in this way, okay, and you just put your affiliate link in here, okay, and you can also put your affiliate link at here. So it is this much simple, okay, but that is the only case if this article is not available in besthappyliving.com at the time you see this. What I'll also do is I'll also use another platform that is called System.io, and I'll try to recreate this exact page, okay, and I'll try to put a share funnel link in the description of this video, and you can click on it and create your own free account on System.io to get this exact landing page for free. And you can use this landing page to create like best 7 hearing solution, okay, like tinnitus solution, or maybe top 7 dog food that is best, that kind of article also you can create by using that template. Okay, for now let's don't go away from our topic. So let's say now you have this kind of WordPress website with this kind of article. Now you need people to come to this website so that you can make them click on these links, and if they purchase, then you can make commission. So what you can do is you can simply type on Google Bing Ads coupon, and then you can click on any of the sites that is appearing at the top. Okay, and once you open any of these sites, then you'll see this kind of interface where you can click on these kind of links, and you will be able to visit to this kind of interface of Microsoft Ad. And as you can see, you are going to get like $250 ad coupon in search advertising in Bing if you spend $50. Okay, so you can use this page in order to create your own Microsoft Ad account. Now if you want a step-by-step guide to create your Microsoft Ad account, then I'll make sure to put the link of this video in the description of this YouTube video, so you can watch it and create your own Microsoft Ad account in a step-by-step process. Once you create your Microsoft Ad account, now it's time for you to drive paid traffic. Don't worry, we'll also talk about free traffic, and that is going to be interesting for you. Now to run an ad campaign inside Microsoft Ad, I will put a link of this video in the description of this YouTube video, Microsoft Bing Ads step-by-step tutorial. Okay, you can literally promote this website in Microsoft Ad by watching this video tutorial in a step-by-step process. And once you follow all the steps that I have shown you in this video, then you will start to receive good amount of traffic in this website, and you'll also start to see commissions inside Clickbank. And once you start to receive traffic and start to make commission in Clickbank, then what you can do is you can hire someone on freelance site like Fiverr or Upwork to write these kind of articles for you, and replace all of this duplicate text, okay, all of this copied text, and put your own original article at here, and then start to hire freelancer to write reviews for this XGPure, Icaria Juice, Prototext. Okay, and put your review link in this kind of places. Okay, and now what will start to happen is you will start to bring traffic from Microsoft Ad to this page and start to make money immediately, and you are profitable. And then you will start to hire freelancer to write articles for you, and then you will start to get free traffic from Google also and Bing also, and those free traffic will also bring you sales in long term. So in this way you can utilize this kind of page to do affiliate marketing in order to make money with Clickbank. Now it's not just about weight loss product. Okay, you can do any kind of product. This kind of page you can create and do any kind of products affiliate marketing. Now just start to take action and start to make money with Clickbank. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.